how to make a weight gain drink that give you actual energy and keep you fresh even during hard working. If you are searching for this kind of drink, so this video is for you. In this video, we will explore the benefits of weight gain drink, breaking down why it's not just about eating more, but eating right to achieve your goals. First of all, you need to understand weight gain. Before diving into the benefits, it's essential to understand what weight gain entails. Weight gain occurs when you consume more calories than you burn, however. It's not just about loading up on junk food. Healthy weight gain focuses on increasing muscles mass and overall body strength rather than accumulating excess fat. This means adopting a balanced approach that includes the right mix of nutrients, including proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. The weight gain drink that I'm going to tell you is beneficial for children and adults as well. You will need three powerful fruits. These have all essential nutrients. Like you will take papaya, bananas, and dates. Three pieces of papaya and three bananas you will take, and three dates. These are dates, and now one glass of milk, fresh milk. I will not add any sugar because I am going to make a complete healthy weight gain drink. I have already just you have to do one thing, that you have to cut them into small pieces, and these are the pieces I have already cut them out, and take out the seeds from the dates, and then you will start blending them in the blender. So see that what I am doing this. I am just adding these pieces into my blender jug, and then I will blend them properly with the milk. One of the primary benefits of a weight gain drink is the promotion of muscles growth by providing your body with the necessary nutrients. Particularly, protein you can support muscles repair and growth. Contrary to popular belief, weight gain doesn't always equate to poor health. When done correctly, a weight gain diet can improve overall health by ensuring adequate nutrient intakes, supporting immune function, and reducing the risk of nutrient deficiencies. Instead of the relying on empty calories, prioritize nutrient dense foods such as lean proteins, whole grain, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Aim of 3 main meals and 2 to 3 snacks per day to keep your energy level up and support muscles growth. Pairing your weight gain diet with a regular strength training routine can maximize muscles growth and ensure that the extra calories and consume are put to good use. Shake drink is perfect now. It's ready to serve. If you continue this drink till 3 months, you must see the best result. Now take a look on some other benefits of this drink. For some individuals, eating more can be a struggle due to a lack of appetite or feelings of fullness. In such cases, focusing on calorie dense foods and incorporating liquid calories through smoothies or shakes can help. Building muscles and gaining weight takes time and consistency. It's essential to stay patient and persistent even when progress seems slow. A weight gain diet can offer multiple benefits. Following a balanced approach, focusing on nutrient dense foods, and incorporating regular exercise, you can achieve your weight gain goals and unlock your full potential. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, but about nourishing your body and fueling your journey to health and vitality. Please share this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.